Yo, what's going on guys? It's your boy Grips UK here, and today I will be doing an unboxing video of my new scooter. I said in my last video that I would do it when it came, so let's just get right into it. This knife is like really bad, so I've been waiting for this for 2 to 3 days, but it's no biggie. The scooter is black and orange, but I'm going to get black Proto sliders, I think, and orange sacrifice grips just to match it instead of just being black and orange. Like the wheel black and the grips are black. So this is going to take a while. That's it. So that is the box. Now let's just 1, 2, we can get 3. Ooh, this actually looks so sick, bro. I actually can't get this one. Oh my god, this is a pain. Up. That is the scooter. I have another free thing. Got a free bonus pack with some stickers. Instruction manual that I really don't need. I know how to make a scooter. So don't know why. Why the heck did I just do that? So got a sick double clamp. This is actually a pain in the ass to get this bit off. Yeah, sorry about that. So I'm just putting the bars on my scooter. I've never had a T-bar, so I was